A study looking for the relationship between the area of skin covered in tattoos and the number of sexual partners finds a correlation coefficient R is equal to 0.987. What does this indicate? So that R value is quite strong, right? I mean, the highest R can ever be is 1. So the maximum R can be is 1. That would assume that a perfect positive, or that would indicate, sorry, a perfect positive linear correlation. Perfect positive linear correlations do not happen in the real world. So this number is about as close as you can get. You know, if it was 0.99999, that's the only values that would be closer, right? Something like that. So this is 0.987. This is very highly correlated. So what does it actually indicate? Well, what it indicates is that we tend to see a higher number of sexual partners for people who have a larger amount of skin covered in tattoos. So it essentially means as the area of tattoos, area of, we'll say, tattoo coverage, right? As that increases, so does the number of sexual partners. Okay, so that's the idea, because we have that R is equal to 0.987. What it doesn't do, though, very important, is that it doesn't imply causality, right? It doesn't imply causation, let's say. It doesn't imply causation. So we can't say that, having a larger number of sexual partners, a higher number of sexual partners will make you more likely to have a wide amount of your body covered in tattoos, and vice versa. We can't say that having lots of tattoos will lead to a higher number of sexual partners. So we're not saying one causes the other. It may be that there's a connection between the two that's implied by a third unknown variable, right? That unknown variable may be, say, a rebellious streak or something, or rebellious nature. And because of that rebellious nature, you tend to be drawn to tattoos and be drawn to a more active sex life. So the point is that, we can't imply causation ever, even if it seems perfectly logical that one thing can cause the other. For example, cigarette smoking leading to lung cancer. The R might be very strong, like this, the 0.987, but just on that information alone, you can't say that one causes the other. So essentially, all we can say is that these things tend to pair together, and as one variable increases, so does the other. There seems to be a linear relationship between them because of that. So essentially, we can say it's a strict, idea of as the area goes up, so do the number of sexual partners. As the area of tattoo coverage goes down, it seems the number of sexual partners goes down. That's what we're seeing with this. So it's a positive linear relationship. It means they move together, and it means that essentially we see them appear together. But we don't know that one causes the other.